Welcome back to BadWolfBobbi. Today we are decorating for Halloween. As you can see, Ollie and I are taking out the one bin and a bit of overflow of Halloween decorations that we have, and we're going through it. I was looking to see if I could take the bow off that candy corn wreath. That was not an option, sadly, so it will stay. You can see here that I have a lot of little pumpkins and big pumpkins. I hit up the Target clearance last year after Halloween. That's why I have so many pumpkins. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like my channel, please subscribe. I really like the spiky pumpkins from Target, but no more pumpkins this year, I promise myself. Yes, that is a Rae Dunn mug that I'm using as a candle holder. The cat needs batteries, but it lights up. The jack-o'-lantern pineapple came from TJ Maxx Home Goods.